Yeah, my name is Tejan Ibrahim. I'm the MD CEO of Bratton Business School. I want to share with you how our ACCA classes are actually different from others. We've been doing ACCA classes for over 15 years now, and we have online and physical classes. The two of them actually run at the same time. We have recorded lectures, for students to go over their classes, whether they miss or they are using it as revision for revision purpose. We have conducive learning environment, actually very comfortable seats. We have a large parking space, and we have a very good support system in the sense that if students have any issues, they have what people to actually want to talk to. This is a place to be. Join us.